Today, we're diving into the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This device has been highly anticipated, and I can't wait to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's get started. First up, let's unbox it. The packaging looks sleek, as always. Inside, we have the phone itself, a USB-C to Lightning cable, and a quick start guide. No power adapter included. But we're used to that by now, right? Now, let's talk design. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a refined look with a glass back and stainless steel edges. It comes in several stunning colors, including deep purple, silver, gold, and space black. The new camera layout is pretty striking as well. The display is a gorgeous 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology. The colors are vibrant, and the brightness can reach up to 2000 nits outdoors, perfect for streaming videos or gaming. Now, let's check out the camera system. The 4.8MP main camera is a standout feature, capturing incredible detail. The new telephoto lens offers 5x optical zoom, making it great for distant shots. Plus, night mode has been improved, so low-light photos look fantastic. Here are some samples I took. Under the hood, we've got the A17 Pro chip, which delivers lightning-fast performance. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, everything runs smoothly. I ran some benchmarks, and the numbers are impressive. This is definitely one of the fastest phones out there. As for battery life, I've been able to get through a full day of heavy usage without needing to charge. Apple claims up to 29 hours of talk time, and I found that streaming videos and using apps didn't drain it too quickly. Running on iOS 18, there are plenty of new features like improved widgets and a revamped messaging app. It feels fresh, and the new customizability options are a nice touch. So, is the iPhone 16 Pro Max worth it? If you're looking for a top-tier smartphone with an amazing camera, great performance, and stunning design, I'd say yes. But if you're on a budget, consider whether the upgrades are worth the price tag. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. What do you think about the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments below. Catch you in the next video.